Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to anyone who watches this video. In Project 1 in Semester 2, I am Novia Ramadhani, name 19240553, class 19.28.06, from Bina Sarana Kalimalang University. I want to complete two topics. First one is computer, and the second is hardware. I hope what I complete is useful for all of us. Topic 1, computer. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device designed to process, calculate, store, and manage information automatically following instructions provided to it in the form of programs or software. Computers are used for various purposes, such as solving problems, storing data, and running applications. Function of computer. First one, processing data. Computers are used to process, storage, manage, and analyze data and information efficiently. Use storing data or saving it. A computer has the capacity to store data or saving data for a long period of time. This makes it easier for users to find data and reuse it. Third, accessing information. Computer provide access to various information through the internet and application. Type of computer based on function. First, personal computer, PC, designed for individual use. Example, laptop or desktop, used for general purpose such as typing, writing, browsing, and gaming. Two, a server computer, used to store data and provide service to other computers on the network. Example, a web server that stores website. Three, supercomputer, the most powerful computer for high performance computing. It is used um, usually for scientific work that requires large. For embedded system, a computer integrated into another device, such as a car, machine, or electronic equipment. Com Computer component, CPU. The CPU is the main component that function as the brain of the computer, which executed commands, process data, and enables computing process to occur, such as the arithmetic logic unit, which is responsible for logical and arithmetic calculation, and the control unit, which controls the process. The CPU takes instruction from memory, performs the task, and then sends the result or output back to memory. Two, RAM, random access memory. RAM is important connect that functions as a temporary data storage and that is being used by the device, especially when many program or application are running simultaneously. RAM is a field, so the data in it will be lost when the computer is turned off. Storage. Storing data is persistently or data that is still stored even if the device or computer is turned off. Input device. A device used to enter data into a computer, like mouse, joystick. Output device. Device used to display data processing result, like monitor, printer, projector, speakers. How computer works. In first, input. Data is entered by the user into the computer using input device such as keyboard or mouse. This data can be text, image, sounds, and after input, it processed. The incoming data is processed by the CPU. This process can be in the form of calculation, data processing, or running programs recreated by this user. And then output. After the data is processed, the results are displayed through the device, such as monitor, screen, or printed using a print. Conclusion. Computers are very important in modern life, almost like all file from education to business rely on computers to increase efficiency. Two main components, CPU, RAM, and storage is working together and work together. For example, the CPU is responsible for processing data, RAM stores data that is currently being used, and storage stores long-term data. Three, computer technology continued to develop. In the past, computers were large and heavy, but now computers can be small and portable with extraordinary capabilities. Even technologies such as AI, big data, and cloud computing make computers more useful. I guess is all for part one. Thank you for listening to me. See you next in part two.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Back again with me in the part two of hardware. What is hardware? First, physical part of computer. Second, can be touch and seen. Third, works with software. Hardware refers to all physical part of a computer that you can see or touch, like the keyboard or mouse and CPU. It cannot function alone and must work together with software to operate computer system. Type of hardware. The hardware is divided into types based on function. Input device enter data, output device display result, processing device handle operation, and storage device save data. As you can see, I also put an example of each of type of hardware, like input device example, keyboard, mouse, output device, mouse or monitor, processing device CPU, storage device SSD. Input. Input devices are used to enter data into the computer. A keyboard, mouse, scanner, or webcam. Input devices are hardware component that allow users to enter data and instructions into a computer system. The keyboard and mouse are the most common. The scanner digitize image or document, and webcam record video or text video. Output. The device display or deliver from the computer. Hardware component that process information from a computer to user in human perceptible forms such as text, graphic, audio, or video. Monitor show image and videos. Printers products document. Speaker play sounds, and projectors show a visual on a large screen. CPU. Central Processing Unit. Brain of the computer controls all operation. CPU acts like the brain of the computer, working by executing instructions read from memory. The instruction tells the CPU what operations to perform on the data stored in memory or registers. The enabling the CPU to process instructions, execute programs, and manage the overall activity of the computer. Storage device. RAM equal temporary memory. HDD or SSD, permanent storage. Stores files, apps, and data. RAM holds data temporary while a computer is in the use. Hard disks and solid-state drives store data like document, programs, and system file more permanently. Conclusion. Hardware is a physical component divided into input, output, CPU, storage, and all parts of that work together at the same time. Thank you for listening to me. I hope by the two of topic I confidence it will use for all of us in this future or maybe tomorrow. Yeah, thank you for listening. Bye.